Hey gentlemen, welcome back to Dental Miracle. Okay, I need to talk about something that is blowing up on the internet right now. Thousands of people are rubbing eggshells on their teeth, swishing with activated charcoal, and putting clove oil on their kids' gums. All because some viral video told them they could literally regrow their teeth at home. And I am here today to tell you some of that is complete nonsense. But here is the twist. A couple of these myths, they are almost true. And that is what makes them so dangerous. Today, we are busting the top 7 viral myths about regrowing your teeth at home. We are going myth by myth, fact by fact, and by the end of this video, you will know exactly what works, what is harmless, and what can actually destroy your enamel forever. Let's go. This one has millions of views. The claim, eggshell powder is rich in calcium, and rubbing it on your teeth will remineralize enamel. Let's break this down. First, the science. Eggshells are made of calcium carbonate, the same mineral found in your tooth enamel. So, there is a grain of truth here. Calcium is essential for strong teeth. But, and this is a big but, your enamel does not regrow. The cells that build enamel, called ameloblasts, die after your tooth fully forms. Once enamel is gone, it is gone. No amount of calcium powder rubbed on the surface is going to bring those cells back. What can calcium do? It can help with remineralization. That is the natural repair process where minerals fill in tiny early-stage cavities. But that is very different from regrowing a tooth. Oh, this one. Activated charcoal toothpaste is everywhere. It is a billion-dollar industry built on one idea. Charcoal pulls stains off teeth. Here is what is actually happening. Charcoal is abrasive. And yes, that abrasion can scrub surface stains off temporarily. But here's the nightmare. Charcoal is so abrasive that it is literally sanding off a layer of your enamel every single time you use it. The underlying dentin, which is yellow, starts to show through. And you end up with teeth that are more yellow and more sensitive. The American Dental Association has not approved any charcoal toothpaste. That says a lot. Now this one, I want to be fair, because oil pulling has ancient Ayurvedic roots, and there is some real research behind it. The claim, swish coconut oil for 20 minutes and your cavities will heal, your gums will regenerate, and your teeth will become bulletproof. Studies show oil pulling can reduce bacteria in the mouth and help with gingivitis. Coconut oil has lauric acid with antimicrobial properties. But reversing cavities, no. A cavity is physical decay. Actual structure of the tooth is gone. Swishing oil cannot rebuild that structure. This one genuinely worries me. Baking soda and lemon juice together. Surely they must be incredible for your teeth, right? Lemon juice has a pH of about 2. That is close to battery acid in terms of what it does to enamel. Acid dissolves enamel. Now mix that with baking soda and abrasive, and you are creating a paste that chemically and physically attacks teeth. Dentists say you shouldn't even brush for 30 minutes after drinking lemon water. And these folks are rubbing acid paste directly on the teeth. Okay? This one is fascinating. The claim. Certain supplements activate your dental stem cells and cause your teeth to regrow. Here is the truth. Dental stem cells are real. Scientists are researching whether we can use them to regrow teeth in a clinical setting. In fact, a drug called tideglusib has shown promise in animal studies. This science is real and it is coming. But we are not there yet for humans. The companies selling dental stem cell activators. They are selling hope with zero clinical backing. This idea is that raw milk contains enzymes and minerals that help rebuild teeth. Milk is genuinely excellent for teeth. It contains calcium, phosphorus, and casein, a protein that forms a protective film on enamel. Dairy is legitimately great. But the raw part, the FDA and CDC warn against it because it can carry E. coli and salmonella. Pasteurization protects you. Last one, the claim. If you eat the right ancestral diet, rich in vitamins K2 and D3, your cavities will heal. Nutrition is massively important. Vitamin D3 helps absorb calcium. Vitamin K2 directs it to your teeth. Diet supports strong teeth. But regrowing a tooth that has decayed, not happening through diet alone. Once a cavity reaches the pulp, you need a dentist. So, we have busted 7 myths. But here is what the science actually supports for keeping your teeth strong. Number 1. Fluoride. It genuinely bonds to enamel and makes it more resistant to acid. It is one of the most studied interventions. Number 2. Hydroxyapatite toothpaste. This is the mineral your enamel is made of. It can fill in tiny surface lesions and strengthen enamel. Number 3. Xylitol. Found in some gums, xylitol starves cavity-causing bacteria. Chew xylitol gum after meals. Number 4. Reduce sugar and acid. Every time you eat sugar, bacteria produce acid that attacks your enamel for 40 minutes. Number 5. See your dentist. Early cavities can be remineralized with professional treatments. The sooner you go, the more options you have. Look, I get why these myths spread. Dental care is expensive. People are looking for hope. The truth is, your teeth are remarkable. They can remineralize early damage naturally, but they are not immortal. Science is working on regrowth, and when that day comes, you will hear about it here on Dental Miracle first. If this video saved your enamel today, hit that like button, subscribe so you do not miss our next video. Drop your questions below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.